much of you.
Can I help you?
Yeah. No, I'm good, man.
Well, why are you taking pictures in here? You can't do that.
Yes, I can.
No, sir, you cannot.
Oh, okay. Why's that?
Because it's a federal post office. You can't come in and take pictures.
Really?
Yes.
What's your name, sir?
I'm not telling you nothing, just leave, sir.
Larry, huh? I can film here, man. You ever heard of the First Amendment?
Yeah, but you can't film in here.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
This is a free country.
Yeah.
Says I can't film in here, guys. What y'all think about that? Huh?
Huh? Why are you filming in here, sir?
I'm just documenting the post office, man. That's it. This ain't the first post office I've been in, guys.
Well, I'm sorry, but they put out regulations.
No, it's not. Okay.
Take film.
All right.
That's what we do.
Okay. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. There's the guy's name right here. So now they're gonna call people with guns because I got a camera. If this space is publicly accessible, I'm allowed to come and film. Done in about 2 minutes, but y'all want to tell me I can't do something? That's fine. Hey, that's your right to film, to take pictures. It's the First Amendment. Freedom of press. Y'all ever heard of that? Now you're telling lies. He's on the phone telling the police lies. Wow. I'm gonna have to go live on this one, I think. I'll be waiting right outside. Alright guys, I'm going outside. Sit here and film outside a little bit until the cops show up. Thank you, ma'am.
Here.
We'll sit out here until the authorities show up, I guess. Shouldn't take them long. Police department ain't but a hop, skip, and a jump away from here, so. There you go. United States Post Office. The Hemont Station. Fayetteville, North Carolina. Alright. I'm waiting on the cops right now. So we'll see.
The postmaster doesn't want you to come back in.
It don't matter what they want. It's the First Amendment says I can do this.
Okay.
So I suggest they learn the law.
Okay, but you're threatening. She said that
I'm not threatening nobody. No, ma'am. They lied through their teeth. I got it all on film.
Okay.
I didn't threaten nobody.
She just said that you were threatening.
They lied.
And the female customers that were in
They
there.
lied. They want nobody in there a while ago. I held the door open for an old lady and walked out.
Okay.
They lying like a.
I think people get uncomfortable with the camera.
Well, they own them all day, everywhere. You got yours on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Sure
good.
Always.
And your name?
Tutor.
Who, you got a badge number?
I do.
Can I get it free?
I mean, it's right there. Yeah.
Oh, come on. You can't just say it 173.
Yeah.
You can't. It's not hard to say.
You get your tattoos here, man?
In Spring Lake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're not prison tattoos.
No, I have to wear long sleeves because I have.
I understand.
So,
I understand.
Yeah, so I
Yep.
was just wondering.
Right.
Um,
But no, I mean, I'm sure. I don't know if I was at Spring Lake post office day before yesterday.
okay. You making like a documentary or
Man,
something?
freaked out.
Or?
I just filmed government facilities. This ain't the only one I've come to.
Is there no reason behind it? You just do it because you want to?
I just post them on YouTube. So.
Okay. So what's your name, man? You know mine. So what's yours?
Good citizen.
That's what I'm talking to.
I'm a good citizen, man. I mean, that's all I'm gonna give you right now. This is not a stop and ID state.
I mean, I just wanted to know who I was talking to. So. Okay.
Like I said, I mean, I'm not trying to tell you what to do, but I would look into it. They're supposed to have a poster, a thing on the plaque on the wall. It's called Poster 7. It explains who can come in and do what.
Okay.
Photography and journalists can go in there and film the corridors, hallways. I mean, you know what I'm saying? As long as
You understand why people feel uncomfortable. Correct.
that ain't my problem if they feel uncomfortable though.
Okay.
I mean, I can't go around thinking everybody feels
I'm
uncomfortable.
gonna go in and talk to the clerk for a minute, and I'll be
But
back.
like I said, she lied through her teeth.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go in there and catch her in this lie.
Well, you stay out here for a minute. You're gonna talk to this officer right here, and I'm gonna go inside.
All right,
Okay?
well, all right, whatever. Morning.
Morning.
Who am I talking to?
Officer Delgado.
Say that one more time.
Delgado.
Delgado.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Badge number 474. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How can we be of service today, sir?
I didn't ask for no help.
Okay. So what seems to be the problem? Why are we here?
I don't have a problem.
You don't have a problem?
Nope.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Policeman, did you move so I get out?
Yes, sir. One moment.
I appreciate it.
I'll be right back with you, sir. Don't go nowhere, please.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, I want to know why you lied on the phone to the police, said I was intimidating and scaring y'all.
You are.
And talking junk. I mean, I won't do none of that. So why you lying? Everybody's going to see this. Everybody.
Gail, hey.
Lying through your damn teeth. You shouldn't do that, man. You're going to get me hemmed up with the damn police for a lie. Sir, can I help you?
Yes, sir. Hi, sir. I'm the postmaster.
Hey, how you doing?
Telling lies. They was all lying on the phone.
Floor, please.
Lying. That's all they did was lie. I went in there.
You don't have the right to take photos.
I do have a right to be here. Yes, I do. You need to read up on it because you're sadly mistaken.
You educate us. How about that?
You're supposed to have a poster in there, a poster 7. Look it up.
Does that make anything
That's
to do
your
with coming
explanation?
It does have all to do with this film right here.
don't have the right to
There's
come
a
in
big
the
old paragraph about photography inside of government facilities. Yes.
So go ahead and quote that verbatim.
I ain't got to quote it. They
You
can
ain't
look
gotta-
it up.
you ain't
I'm not
gotta quote
going.
it?
They can
I
learn.
mean, you're trying to educate us on something, correct, sir?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay,
I know.
so if you're going to educate
I
us,
don't know
wouldn't
it
be
word
best
for
if you
word.
know-
It's best to look it up.
Do you have a
I don't
pamphlet of
have it
any
with
sort?
me. No.
Well, I mean, for
There's
future
computers
references,
everywhere.
You should probably.
Well, I mean, it
Have
ain't my
one
job
on
to
you.
do their job.
I mean, is it your job to come and harass people at their
I'm not
place of
harassing
business?
nobody.
Okay.
See, that's the thing. I
Okay.
never harassed nobody. I walked in there.
Mhm.
I was filming. That was it.
Okay. And did they ask you to leave?
Several times
Okay. And because just didn't want to?
because I don't got to.
You don't got to?
I don't gotta.
On a federal building, you don't got to.
No,
Okay.
because I'm allowed to go in there and
What's your
film. Good citizen.
What's your name?
Good
An officer of the
citizen.
law is asking you what did
This is not a stop and ID state, dude. Don't try that shit on me.
Okay.
Are you crazy?
You have your ID?
Yeah, I got it. You're
Can I
not
get
getting it
Why not?
because this is not a stop and ID
So you
state.
want to know who I am, but I can't know who you
You're
are.
a servant. I ain't. You work for me. I don't work for you.
I don't work for you. I work for the city.
You work for me then.
No, I
Who
don't-
pays you? Who
I
pays your
work-
salary?
I work for the city.
Taxes, right?
I work for the city.
Taxes, correct?
Okay.
Now you're gonna get all shitty on me because I'm trying to educate everybody
I'm not
and you
getting-
don't like it.
No, sir.
Yes,
What I was
yes,
asking
it
you
is.
to do is to quote verbatim. If you want to,
I don't know the exact
No,
words, but I just know.
Okay.
How about that? I'm not doing your job and
So
your job
what
and
I
your
was
job.
encouraging you to do is that if you want to educate people, you should probably have.
I will print it up and
material.
put some in my back pocket if that's what I need to do.
That'd be great.
Yeah.
That's all I'm asking.
But I mean, you can look it up
Okay.
just like that.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
What's the
I'd
title?
be doing your job.
What's the poster?
It's called Poster 7.
Poster 7.
Yes.
Who makes that?
The Homeland Security.
Homeland Security.
Yes.
Poster 7.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be
Please,
right back.
please educate yourself.
You were downtown, weren't you?
I was.
Okay.
Yes. I was, and I'm gonna go to the rest of them too.
I just don't understand the purpose behind it.
The purpose is I can do it. That's
why
my
you
only
do it.
purpose.
I mean, just because you can doesn't mean you should.
That don't make it. It's not illegal.
I never said it was. I
Okay.
was just asking.
All right.
Just curiosity.
Can I get your name, sir?
Can you read?
You want to be a smart ass too? Yeah.
No, I mean,
Okay.
You won't
I
tell
can't
us
see it from here. My eyes. I mean, I ain't got freaking. You know, I mean, 100 freaking, 100 vision or nothing like that.
But you won't tell us your name.
I'm not supposed to. I'm not. I don't have to. Y'all work for me. I don't work for y'all.
That's not how that works.
Can I get close enough to see the name badge?
That's fine. What's your name?
Good citizen.
Good citizen?
Yep.
Okay.
255. All right.
You just having a bad day today?
No, I'm not having a bad day. I'm having a great day. I'm serious. All I was doing was filming. And then she gonna tell some lies that I was harassing and do. Okay. All I did was this right here. If that's harassment, dude, you have to lock a lot of people up. You know what I mean?
What's the purpose for?
It's educational. To educate them.
Who's that?
Also yourselves, because a lot of people don't know that I can legally go into a post office, any a government facility, and film. I mean, that's it. To educate the public.
Well, like I said, you understand why people are uncomfortable with that, right?
I suppose, but they're uncomfortable. Don't
And
trump my rights, though. You know what I mean?
The clerk in there said that he specifically asked you not to film him because he doesn't.
It
want
don't
to say
matter.
something.
He works for the government. I can film him all day long, every day. I mean, it's nothing illegal about what I'm doing.
Well, if they ask you to leave and you don't, then it would be.
I mean, if y'all want to play that card too, I mean, we can take it to court and then we can do it like that.
Well, that's the thing. So they asked you to leave. They told you they don't.
Because
want you to
for
come
no
back.
reason. I won't interfering in no business of theirs because they want nobody in there. If I'm impeding business, then they got a legitimate reason. But they don't have a legitimate reason. I can't hear.
Do you have a mailbox?
Was I getting mail? No, sir. I do not have a mailbox here.
Were you delivering any mail?
My purpose is right here. That was my
Well,
purpose.
if they want you to leave, then it'd probably be in your best interest to leave when they ask you to.
If I don't, if I go back in there, will you arrest me?
Well, they can pursue trespassing charges. You're not here doing any business. You have no reason to be here.
Listen, this is my business, though. See, that's what everybody don't understand. I know what I didn't buy a stamp. I can go buy a stamp, and then I have business. I mean,
Well, then your business will be concluded.
but see, that's what I'm saying. I'm not trying to tell y'all what to do. I'm beyond. I'm not trying to be an asshole about it.
And neither are we.
I'm just trying to educate everybody that don't know that you can go in the post office and record. I mean,
Right,
that's.
So you did, and then
Yep.
they asked you to
Well,
leave.
no, but
And
now
they
they.
set on going back in there just because they don't want you to be there, and that's what I don't understand about it. Like going in there
Because
just
they
to
told
get
they
everything
lied.
filmed,
For one, they lied. Okay, they told the dispatcher I was harassing. They won't put nobody in there. The old guy was in there. He said, "You can't film in here." I said, "Yes, sir, I can." I mean, I was even polite. But then he tells dispatcher that I was cussing and raising. I mean, that I was harassing people. They won't even nobody in there. Hey, now, your supervisor?
Yeah.
This-
I've talked to you before.
This is good citizen.
Yes,
Yeah, I got
good
it.
citizen. Your name and badge number, please. How you pronounce that, man?
It's like towel, but with a Y.
Yowell?
Yowl.
Yowl?
You say towel.
See, that's why I didn't want to say it.
Right. So,
I mean, badge number?
what's S49? So what's the deal, man? What's going on?
I'm just out having a wonderful day recording. You heard the First
Yeah,
Amendment, right?
I've already talked to you once before. So they asked you to leave.
Yeah.
Okay.
But legally, I don't have to leave because they feel uncomfortable because I got a camera. I'm trying to educate them. Then they y'all want me to quote the exact printing that's on poster 7. My memory's for crap. I want to remember your name when I leave. You understand? So I can't remember the whole thing. But on poster 7, it says that
Jeff,
I
let me
can.
help you out. I want you to, because you want get videos, you want a YouTube channel.
It ain't got no,
Listen,
sir. I see. There you go. Now see.
You want me to explain to you some stuff? I want to help you out. And this is genuine. Okay. So you understand that even in North Carolina, you have a right if it's an unlawful arrest to resist arrest. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Trick of that is you got to be right.
I got to be what?
You got to be right. So if these officers reach a point where they've established that you violated some law, they can arrest you for.
Right. I understand that, but I hadn't violated the law.
Okay.
Just because y'all don't know the law, don't mean I violated it.
So help me out.
You understand?
What's legitimate? What's your purpose? What do you want to do?
This is my purpose. I'm trying to educate not only these people that work in the post office, but yourselves, because evidently y'all don't know that it's okay to film in a post office.
No one's. Is anybody's? I didn't stop you from boarding down there.
Well,
No, I just said because they asked you to leave.
right.
They said that.
But they lied and said I was harassing and doing all kinds of stuff, but I didn't do. So you should lock them up for false 911 call or whatever. I mean, come on now.
So we're now you're getting into a little more of the subjective.
I mean,
give me a second. What's harassment to me might not be harassment to them, and vice versa. What's harassment to them may not be harassment to us.
Bringing my camera into the post office, that can't be classified as harassment.
Yeah. Now, what are we putting it in people's faces?
No, I wasn't nowhere close to none of them.
Okay.
I mean, I got it all on film, so.
Yeah, I know you do clearly. So
Right.
You understand why that also kind of makes people.
They on camera all day. These cameras in there. I mean, they on camera everywhere they go. Banks. I mean, Walmart.
I am too. I understand it.
I'm not like that. I mean, I was way back there, dude, behind.
You and I understand that. That makes them uncomfortable. So.
But that's not my problem for them to be uncomfortable, though. You understand? If I had to stay away from everybody that's uncomfortable, I couldn't even leave my house.
Understand. So I'm going to help you out again. So their threshold for uncomfortable may be different than mine. So if you make them uncomfortable, and then you start interfering with them doing their daily. Listen, I'm talking.
Okay, go ahead, man. I got
you. Once you start interfering with them doing their job, now you're starting to get into that great, that maybe ambiguous, however, but certainly an area where you're starting to interfere with the daily business of the post office. Then that is a problem.
But I wasn't. There wasn't nobody in there.
Remember what I told you in front of the police station?
I understand
You and
that.
I are not going to.